Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to mark all of your emails as read on your Gmail account. Sometimes your email can get out of control. Nowadays, if you skip a couple of days without checking, your inbox can get pretty backed up. And occasionally, you don't want to go through and delete everything, but you also want to know when a new current one comes in. By marking everything as read, you can do that. We'll be doing this through the Gmail website. To get started, head to mail.google.com and log into your Gmail account. Once inside, open whatever mailbox that you want to mark all as read. Check the box at the top here on the left above all of your messages. This will then select all of your emails. You can also click the drop down if you want and choose just unread. Next, select the three dots on the right on the end of this menu bar. In here at the top, select Mark as Read. This will then mark everything that you've selected as read. You can then check the box on the top left again to deselect everything. Now you'll show as having no unread messages. And that's how you mark all emails as read on Gmail. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.